In this video, I am going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook page. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook page. In our last video, we have shown you how to connect your Instagram account on your Facebook page. For doing this, go to the page on which you want to disconnect Instagram from your Facebook page. Go to the page. From the left bottom corner, tap on Settings. And from the Page Setting menu, scroll down and find Instagram. You will find your connected Instagram account on this page, and you will also find the basic information of your Instagram account details. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find Disconnect Instagram. Tap on the disconnect button and a pop-up message will appear which says disconnect Instagram account. You can reconnect the account at any time. Tap on the blue disconnect button. Here you can see your Instagram account has been disconnected. You can connect your Instagram account again by clicking Connect Account. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you learned something from it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.